Last week we set up our clubs to allow us to, turn them and swing, although we haven't been able to try that yet until we get some more things set up. The next piece we need to set up for that is our golf balls. So the ball controller is what's going to handle actually moving our ball and handling some other things for us as well as we play our game. So let's go ahead and we need to find our golf ball prefab. So if we go to the prefab folder, we'll see golf balls is a folder inside there. And then we have our 3 balls, or four of them if you, or more, if you did that bonus step from last week. And we want to make sure that we select all of our golf balls here. So what I recommend doing is holding shift and clicking on the first ball, and then however many balls you have here, 3 or 15 or however many, just hold the shift key and select the one at the very end of your list, and that will select all of the ones in between. What we're going to do next is head over into our inspector on the right side, and I'm going to collapse these so I don't have to see them. We're going to hit the Add Component button, and instead of adding our club component or club controller, we're going to add the ball controller. And you're going to see that pop up there. And then you'll also notice that we get these 2 sound variables that we need to fill out. We get the putt sound and the hole sound. So we need to put 2 audio clips into these 2 fields in our inspector for all of these golf balls. So to do that, let's actually go up, and in the top right corner of the inspector, it's very tiny, right under where we select that tall layout, there's a little lock button. And if we click on that, what that's going to do is lock our inspector with what we have selected. So even if we click something else in our hierarchy or in our project panel, we'll still have the same objects appear in our inspector, those same 4 prefabs. So that means we can find our sounds that we need to fill here without having to worry about accidentally deselecting our golf balls while we do so. So let's go ahead and go back into our project panel, find the art folder, and go to the sounds folder. We're going to see 2 sounds here. We're going to see the putt sound and the hole sound. And those are going to match directly to the variable names here in the inspector. So putt sound is going to go to the top one with putt sound, and hole sound is going to go to the bottom one with hole sound. Once you've got that finished, go ahead and go back up to that lock button and click it again to unlock our inspector, and we are good to go. So go ahead and save your scene, and we're ready to move on to the next step.